Rude waxers in the PH. Waxing can truly be considered as one of the most intimate jobs that you can do with clients. I have been mostly insecure about my body throughout my life, most especially sa underarm area since I have hyperpigmentation due to PCOS. Pero I tried my best to overcome it and go to waxing salons. I went to Laybear, and it was all okay. And napunta sa point na hindi na ako masyado takot ma-judge because all of the Laybear staff are professional about it. Pero may time na pumunta ako sa brow lounge kasi nasakto gusto ko rin mag-try magpa-thread sa kanila. Tapos nung nagpa-wax na rin ako ng underarm, na-trauma talaga ako sa waxer. From the start, sinabihan niya na ako ng, ano nilalagay mo dito? Dapat ate magmilko ka para pumuti naman yan. I replied to this na sinabi ko, hindi siya effective. And napansin kong mas lalong nag-dark underarm ko. To then, she scoffed pa and said, ay, hindi po yan totoo. Try mo ulit magmilko ka para pumuti naman yan, sayang ganda mo pa naman. As in, grabe, madami pang comments like that na tawas din, try mo, etc. And gusto ko na lang magpalamon sa lupa. I never expected na ganunin ako. Like tuwing may waxing appointment nga ako, napaparanoid ako na baka pag-usapan nila ako paglabas ko. Pero to blatantly tell me that, napaulit-ulit. It was hard and after that, never na ulit ako nagpa-wax ng underarm. Ang lakas pa ng boses niya yung mga stall dun maliliit at open lang sa ibang stall sa ilalim and taas. Nakakalungkot lang na may mga ganitong waxer. This happened to me 3 years ago and I am happy to say na I'm handling my insecurities. Better naman na. Pero sana waxers get the proper training. Kasi yung ganitong experience, lalo na at your most vulnerable state, can leave you with permanent scars.